Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix the EpicGames launcher Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely error. Many times, when you try to install the MSI file of EpicGames launcher, you may see this error. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe because here you'll find many useful videos related to laptops, desktops, and software issues. Method 1. Change installer settings. Right-click on the MSI installer file. Go to Properties. And then go to Compatibility. At the bottom, click on Change Settings for all users. If the checkbox is ticked, uncheck it, then click Apply and OK. This simple change often fixes the issue. Method 2. Use Task Manager to run installer. Right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to File and click on Run New Task. A window will appear. Make sure the checkbox for administrator privileges is ticked. Click Browse, then go to the folder where you saved the MSI file, for example, Desktop or Downloads. At the bottom right, change the filter from Programs to All Files so you can see the installer. Select the EpicGames Launcher MSI file, click Open, then press OK. Now, the installer will launch without showing the error. Just click Install and continue with the setup. That's it. Now your EpicGames launcher will install properly, and the error will not appear again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official, and press the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video.